Come test drive the 2026 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, traction control, electronic stability control, brake assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.